Hey, boating and fishing enthusiasts! Welcome to the Compare the Carrier channel. It's that time of the year we all look forward to, the boating season. We're just as excited as you are. But before you head out on the water, let's make sure your boat is in top condition. In today's video, we'll go over some essential boat preparation tips and introduce you to Compare the Carrier, the perfect solution for all your vehicle transport needs. First things first, you'll want to inspect your boat for any cracks or damage. This is crucial to ensure your safety and the performance of your boat. Make sure to take a close look at the hull, deck, and all critical components. Next, give your boat some TLC by cleaning and polishing it. Not only does this make it look great, but it also helps to protect the surfaces from wear and tear. Now, let's move on to the battery and electrical system. Check the connections and look for any signs of corrosion. Ensure that your battery is charged and ready to go. Don't forget the fuel system. Inspect the hoses, connections, and fuel tank for leaks or damage. A well-maintained fuel system is crucial for the smooth operation of your boat. Last, but definitely not least, check your safety equipment. Life jackets, fire extinguishers, and flares should all be in good condition and easy to access. Remember, safety comes first. Now that your boat is ready, let's talk about how to get it to the water. That's where Compare the Carrier comes in. Compare the Carrier is your one-stop solution for all your vehicle transport needs. Whether it's cars, motorcycles, ATVs, boats, trucks, golf carts, RVs, trailers, or heavy equipment, we've got you covered. Simply visit our website, submit your vehicle details, and receive multiple quotes from reliable transport brokers. It's that easy. So there you have it. Follow these essential boat preparation tips and rely on Compare the Carrier for a hassle-free transport experience. Now you're all set to make the most of this fishing and boating season. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below. Happy boating!